Hey guys, welcome to another poorly lit decluttering video. The lighting in my apartment is not good for this kind of thing. Today I'm going to be reorganizing and decluttering this smaller bookshelf here, which is used primarily to store my DVDs. Things are getting kind of messy back here, especially down there, which you probably can't see because of the bad lighting. And the top's getting pretty messy, and I've got a bunch of DVDs that I've picked up over the last little while that need to be put away. So I need to deal with all of that mess. Obviously I'll be moving the couch out of the way to do that. And then I've also got this little drawer in here that I kind of use as a junk drawer. And it hasn't had a good declutter in quite a while, so I need to deal with that as well. And much like with my other bookcase, I can't really find a good spot to time-lapse this, so I'm just going to have to show you what I can of the before, and then I will show you the after and what I've pulled out. So much like last time, back in a sec. Okay, so here is the after of my DVD bookshelf thingy declutter. I've moved the couch out so I can get to the shelf better, but I'll be moving the couch back because there's only so much room in this apartment. Again, pardon the crappy lighting, but I got a bunch of DVDs that were up here into the shelves there, pulled a couple things out. This is definitely fuller than it used to be, but it's also neat and in order and all that good stuff. And then up top here we have my Walking Dead vinyl pops, which are already there. I put my little Pokemon Happy Meal toys there, my sewing kit, because I really don't know where else to put that, and my little decor piece from Dollarama. And then my junk drawer is, believe it or not, less junky in that it's actually holding stuff that needed homes as opposed to just junk. Now this configuration might change when I buy more batteries, but for now this is working. So it probably still looks junky to you, but to me it looks a lot neater, and it's definitely being utilized better than it was previously. In the throwaway pile here we have an old pedometer that no longer works. That was in my junk drawer, so that's going in the special garbage. Some super old cell phone headphones that I haven't used forever, they're going in the special garbage. A bag of batteries that I'm not really sure why I was holding on to them, but I don't know how old they are, so I'm just gonna put them in the special garbage as well. And this baggie of, I don't know what these are. Clearly I haven't needed them. I don't know what they are. I'm gonna throw them out. And then this is the recycling pile. I have my box for my cell phone charger, like portable charger, the box for my cell phone that I've had for like three and a half years. And then this pile here is a bunch of instruction manuals that I had in the magazine holder that was sitting on top of my DVD bookshelf. I went through it and pulled out manuals for things I no longer have. Like, well, I actually have two of these white noise machines, but they came with the same instruction manual, so I only need one of them, so I'll be recycling this one. This is the instruction manual for a memory card reader that I no longer have. This is the cleaning and care directions / manual for like the pans or something I bought when I moved here. I don't know why I still have that. We've also got the like care and cleaning instructions for a couple of travel mugs that I have no idea why I still have this. This is an instruction manual for speakers for my computer that I no longer have. And then for some reason I held on to the building instructions for these two pieces of IKEA furniture that have long since been built and are not going to be unbuilt, so I don't need these either, so they will also be going in the recycle. As for stuff that I am donating, there's not too much, and these three things here are not from my DVD shelf. Obviously, I haven't done a full closet declutter yet, but I was going through my closet and I found a few things that I no longer wear. This is just a t-shirt that I don't wear. I don't really like it. It's a little too see-through for me. And then I just have two camisoles that I've had forever that I don't think I've ever worn, and I tried them on and neither of them fit anymore. I am too fat for them, so they are going to be donated. As for items from the actual bookshelf, we have this mini dictionary, which you don't really need anymore because there's this thing called the internet. This little piece of home decor that I've never really liked, but I got it as a gift, but don't like it, so I'm getting rid of it. The DVDs for really old versions of Photoshop and Lightroom that from when I purchased them when I was in college. They actually are the student licensing versions, so I don't even know if anyone can use these, but I don't need them either, so I'm gonna donate them. These two DVDs, which look like they're counterfeit because they're just sticky notes saying Snow White and Pinocchio, and then they're clear DVD cases. They are actually legitimate Disney DVDs. My mother has like all of them, like all of the Disney movies, and a lot of them are on the copies that came with both a DVD and a Blu-ray. And then once my parents got a Blu-ray player, they didn't need the DVDs anymore, so they gave me a bunch of the DVDs even if I didn't really want them. So there's a couple that I am keeping, but Snow White I'm not interested in keeping, and Pinocchio I'm not interested in keeping, so I will be donating those. Got these two sets of cell phone headphones that I never wore. They came with my various cell phones. I'm not a huge fan of this style of earbuds, so I've never ever used them, so they're being donated. There's this random cable. I don't know if it's a phone cable or an internet cable, but I have literally nothing to use this for, so it's going. This dolphin figurine thing. These three little dinosaur figurines that came in orders from photojojo.com. For whatever reason, they send you little plastic dinosaurs, and they're cute, but I really have absolutely no use for them, so they're being donated. This Palm Bay snow globe thing that I got at the same birthday party at a bar that I got that bottle opener that was in my kitchen declutter. I got this there too. The barbers giving away a lot of free stuff to the party, so it's fun, but I don't even think I've ever had Palm Bay before, so I'm gonna donate that. And then there's this Mike's Hard Lemonade golf ball that I got at that same party at that same bar. Again, don't need it. Don't remember the last time I had Mike's Hard Lemonade, so really don't need it, so it's also going. And yeah, that's it for this decluttering video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell in the corner to be notified when I next upload a video. And I will see you guys tomorrow.